Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. In this tutorial we are going to fix white corrupted icons or black icons on Windows 11. So this is a very straightforward process. You just need to search the File Explorer, or you can simply open it if you know the File Explorer. So once the File Explorer is open, you need to go to this PC, and here you need to go to the C drive, and once you're in C drive, we need to go to this users folder, right? So I'll just do a double click on that user folder. Now here you need to look for which is your user account. So you need to match with your name. So from here I see I'm using the Easy Geek, and here is the Easy Geek one. So you need to make sure that which is your user account, and you need to select that, and then you just need to do a double click on that. All right. And once you're here, you need to click on this view icon at the very top. Alright, so once you click on view icon, and then we need to go to this show tab, and we need to click on hidden items. Alright, so the moment you click on view, then show, and then hidden items, you will find the app data right here, like this. And we just need to do a double click, and then we need to go to this local folder. And here I'll scroll down, and we need to look for this icon cache. So we just need to select that, do a right click, and we just need to delete it. Once you have deleted it, you just need to restart the computer, and you will be able to fix the blank or white corrupted icons. And if this tutorial is helpful, please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.